Honey has been used as a sweetener for thousands of years and benefits the human body in many ways. Honey is made by honeybees, who gather nectar from flowers to create honeycombs that hang in their hives. Bees use glucose and fructose from flower nectar to create honey, which is then mixed with an enzyme called glucose oxidase. This reaction produces hydrogen peroxide, which helps kill bacteria on the cells where honey was created. In this video, you will learn about the 5 benefits of honey. 5 benefits of honey for your body. 1. Soothing throat. Honey is a rich, sweet liquid that can be used to soothe an irritated or dry cough. It coats the back of your throat while providing natural benefits such as soothing, warming, and moisturizing. 2. Soothes a sore stomach. Honey can help when you have an upset stomach, whether it's from overindulging in food or eating something that doesn't agree with your system. 3. Soothes skin. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it's an ingredient that attracts and retains water. The benefits of honey for your skin include moisturizing the skin and reducing inflammation, as well as having antibacterial properties to help with acne. 4. Helps wounds heal. Honey can help to reduce a wound's infection and speed up the healing process. 5. Promotes clear skin. Honey can help balance the pH level of your skin, which is important for achieving healthy looking and feeling skin. Those are some benefits of honey, but there are many more benefits of this sweet treat, especially as a sugar substitute.